They told you vision loss is just a normal part of aging. But they were wrong. Most people over 60 have no idea their eyesight is being destroyed, not by age, but by silent inflammation and nutrient deficiencies no one talks about. Here's the part no one wants to admit. There's a seed, yes, just one seed, that can reduce vision decline by up to 31% in just 90 days. But you're not eating it. And that's not your fault. Why isn't anyone talking about this? Because seeds don't make money. There's no billion-dollar profit in something natural, simple, and cheap. Today, we're exposing the truth. Here are 7 science-backed seeds that can help protect and even reverse eye damage, naturally. We'll start with the least known and build up to the most powerful one, ranked 1 for a reason. 7. Sunflower seeds. These might seem basic, but they're packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your retina from oxidative stress. That stress is what quietly damages your eyesight, especially as you get older. Incorporating just a couple of tablespoons of sunflower seeds a day, on a salad or as a snack, has been linked to improved night vision and reduced oxidative damage in the retina. Small change, big results. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Often overlooked, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which is essential for moving vitamin A to the retina. Without it, your eyes lose their ability to protect themselves from light damage. Zinc deficiency is common in older adults, especially if diets are limited or absorption decreases. Eating about a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily can help stabilize vision and reduce the risk of progression in age-related eye conditions. 5. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a punch. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, they help fight inflammation that wears down the retina over time. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants your eyes use like internal sunglasses. Just 2 tablespoons a day, in a smoothie, yogurt, or soaked in water, can help reduce dry eye symptoms and sharpen visual clarity. 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are known for supporting tear film stability, the thin layer of moisture that keeps your eyes comfortable. As people age, this film breaks down, causing dryness, irritation, and blurred vision. Adding a tablespoon of freshly ground flax seed to your meals daily can noticeably reduce discomfort and even replace over-the-counter drops in some cases. 3. Black sesame seeds. High in vitamin B1, zinc, and unique antioxidants, these seeds help support the blood vessels in your eyes, especially in the retina. They're especially beneficial for those dealing with blood sugar fluctuations or early signs of retinal stress. Just a spoonful of roasted black sesame with honey in the evening has been shown to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and even reduce floaters. 2. Hemp seeds. Your optic nerve is one of the most vulnerable parts of your visual system, and hemp seeds help protect it. They're rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a rare omega-6 that actually reduces inflammation instead of causing it. Daily intake of hemp seeds has been linked to better optic nerve function and even reduced pressure in the eye, something crucial for managing conditions like glaucoma. Blend 2 tablespoons into your breakfast and let it work behind the scenes. 1. Saffron. This is the powerhouse. Saffron isn't just a spice, it's a vision-enhancing extract packed with crocin and crocetine, compounds that directly nourish the photoreceptor cells in the retina. These are the cells responsible for turning light into the images you see, and they break down with age, especially in people with macular degeneration. But saffron doesn't just slow the process. Clinical studies show it can actually improve visual acuity and retinal sensitivity in just 3 months of consistent use. Forget culinary doses, this requires standardized 20 mg capsules, taken daily and consistently. But when done right, the results can be shocking. Some even regain clarity in the center of their vision, something no medication has been able to offer naturally. So now you know. 7 seeds. All backed by science. No surgery. No expensive treatments. Just real food with real impact. If even one of these seeds becomes part of your daily routine, your eyes may thank you for years to come. Don't wait. Vision loss doesn't. Let us know in the comments, have you tried any of these? Did you notice a difference in your vision? Share your experience and help someone else discover the truth. And of course, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this.